This is raining season, and I want to quickly bring this for our notice for our safety. Flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. Though we have different types of flood, but I will discuss only on the one that is common and usually seasonal in our environment, known as inland flood. Inland flood is usually caused by heavy rainfall or long hours steady rainfall. Flood is a very disastrous menace capable of destroying, drowning, and swifting away any object that stands against its movement, depending on the level and speed of the flood. It can pull down and destroy roads, even when it is a quality constructed road, not to talk of low quality constructed ones. We do encounter flood often in rural and urban roads due to low capacity drainage, due to lack of vegetation, paved roads, due to dense buildings, drainage blockage, etc. Flood have claimed thousands of lives throughout history. I will limit my discussion on the flood we normally encounter on our roads during rainy season. We normally encounter floods on our roads after heavy rainfall or long hour steady rainfall in virtually all states in Nigeria. And I am delighted to tell us here on this channel the way to stay safe when you encounter flood on your way to your destination. Number 1, don't be in a haste to drive through flood that you encounter on your way home. Ensure it is the road you know very well, and be sure that there is no ditch at the direction of the speeding flood. Number 2, patiently wait when you encounter flood that you are not sure of its depth, especially when you see the flood moving or flowing on a very high speed. You will be able to ascertain when to drive through if you patiently wait and observe it well. Number 3, do not allow other drivers behind your vehicle hastening you with noise of their hooting, especially when you are in the forefront. Be calm and wait patiently if you are not sure of the danger ahead of you. Number 4, turn back if there are other routes. Once you observe danger in the flood ahead of you, please U-turn. It is better you miss an appointment than death. Number 5, don't take risk. Attempted risks by driving through a high-speed flood you are not sure of its level, and the speed may be very, very disastrous. You may end up drowning. Number 6, which is the final. If you are already in the middle of the high-speed flood and your vehicle seems going deeper as you are moving forward, stop and find your way out of the car to a dry land before it is too late. It is better you lose your car or valuables than losing your precious life. Nobody will enter the flood to help you out. They will rather pick up their phones and record you while watching you struggling for your life till you are drowned. This safety piece is brought to you by Engineer Dele Abu, Delecstech channel. Do not hesitate to like, comment, and share this video. You might save life by sharing. You can also follow Delecstech channel on YouTube channel and Facebook. Subscribe and click on notification bell for you to receive notification whenever there is new post.